This video dives into the best AI writing tools of 2023 and provides insights into their strengths and weaknesses. Image of a computer with AI writing tools on the screen. Since AI writing tools have become popular in 2023, many businesses and individuals rely on them to create high-quality content efficiently. Jasper AI is a top AI writing software, specifically designed for blogging. Reacher is another AI writing software that has gained traction in the content creation market. Template categories and options. Copy AI is an AI tool that uses GPT-3 technology to provide over 90 templates to help writers overcome writer's block. Image of a computer with WriteSonic AI writing app on the screen. WriteSonic is an affordable AI writing tool that focuses on automating marketing copy. How to get started with an AI writer. First, choose an AI writing tool that best suits your needs and click on the Sign Up section. Finally, use the search engine to type in what you would like the AI to generate. AI tools offering pricing plans to cater to different budgets and needs. For instance, Jasper AI offers a free trial, while WriteSonic provides 10 complimentary credits. Supported languages. Language support is a crucial factor to consider when selecting an AI writing tool, as it will significantly impact usability. Content quality. Content quality is essential when evaluating AI writing tools. Their output may vary in condition depending on the tool and the content. Time-saving benefits. One of the most significant advantages of using AI writers is the time-saving benefits they offer. It can help you create content faster by automating research and generating ideas. Writing improvement suggestions. It can provide valuable improvement suggestions by analyzing your existing content. AI writing tools can offer advice on grammar and style. Factual accuracy. Ensuring factual accuracy is vital when using AI writers. Summary of the best AI writers 2023. In conclusion, AI writing tools have revolutionized the content creation world. By carefully evaluating factors such as pricing, supported languages, ease of use, and content quality,